What if I told you that you're playing on young men's distress to make all that money?
That accusation has been leveled at me before. I don't know how I'm playing on their distress, exploiting it or helping it. I'm not ashamed of making money. It's very hard to make money.
In the world of self-help, few names stand out like Jordan Peterson, a professor, psychologist, and best-selling author. He has built an empire that reaches millions.
I make $80,000 a month on Patreon. My book is selling about 20,000 copies a week. I have royalties that probably amount to something approximating $1.50 on each of those. The tours garner about $35,000 to $50,000 an evening. I have a business that's generating something in the neighborhood of $200,000 a month for me personally. There's some other smaller sources of income than that.
Then you are making a lot of money
Yes,
out of this.
I certainly am. And so are a lot of other people.
This success didn't happen overnight. Dr. Peterson has honed a set of techniques for financial growth that can be applied by anyone looking to achieve similar success.
You're a visionary that imposes a structure of priorities on a horizon of possibility. And that means, in some very real sense, far more than mere metaphoric, that you are in fact an embodiment of the Logos.
One of his key strategies is leveraging media appearances. By participating in interviews and debates, Dr. Peterson broadens his audience and increases his influence. Another crucial aspect is his online presence. With millions of followers on social media and YouTube, Dr. Peterson has built a platform that generates significant revenue. But perhaps the most recognizable part of his empire is his best-selling books. 12 Rules for Life and Beyond Order have sold millions of copies, providing him with a steady income.
What's one thing I'm doing wrong, that I know I'm doing wrong, that I could fix, that I would fix? It's like, you meditate on that, you'll get an answer. And it won't be one you want, but it'll be the necessary one.
And I think one of the fundamental purposes of education is to provide people with the peers that enable them to stand up nobly in the face of tragedy and still move forward with what is good in mind.
Dr. Peterson doesn't stop at books. He's created a range of products and merchandise, from online courses to posters, tapping into a market eager for his wisdom. Endorsements from other high-profile figures have also played a role in Dr. Peterson's rise. These endorsements boost his credibility and contribute to his overall brand. Dr. Peterson follows in the footsteps of other successful thinkers and authors, such as Dale Carnegie and Napoleon Hill, who have utilized similar strategies to achieve their own financial success. Dr. Peterson's approach to amassing wealth is rooted in a deep understanding of human psychology and the principles of success. He often emphasizes the importance of setting clear goals and striving for personal development. One particular exercise he recommends for those seeking to generate significant income involves visualizing one's future success. Imagine, in vivid detail, where you want to be financially in 5 or 10 years. Picture the lifestyle, the accomplishments, and the impact you desire. By doing so, you create a roadmap in your mind, guiding you towards the realization of these aspirations. But this exercise alone is not enough. Dr. Peterson's true secret lies in the execution of a carefully crafted plan.
Many of the things we regard as cardinal virtues are virtues in fact, because if you have them on your side, you can in fact contend with and perhaps dispel or triumph over or transcend. Because generally what happens is that as consciousness dawns, and consciousness is an agent that contends with being and its potential transformations, you see arrayed in front of you a set of indeterminate possibilities which you could bring into being as a consequence of your imposition of vision with some degree of effort and energy.
By understanding and applying these techniques, you too can embark on a path towards financial success, creating a legacy that lasts. So we've unlocked the secrets of Dr. Jordan Peterson's financial success. But one question remains. What will you do with this knowledge? Join the conversation in the comments below and share your thoughts.
We're attempting to help further the development of people who value and take responsibility for themselves, who are good partners in intimate relationships, who make steadfast and loyal friends, who are good stewards of the local community, who are informed enough to engage productively in political matters.